Hey everyone, I'm Silverwolf and we're going to be looking at Furby's secret menu in this video. So if you press and hold both the Furby's front feet at the same time, it will bring up a hidden menu. I think that Hasbro's done this officially on their Furby account, but it was someone on YouTube who told me about this.
Ooh, hidden menu. Press blue for fart piano. Pink for ha-ha game. Green to learn Furbish. Yellow to hear a joke. In Furbish, da elo utai mean good morning. Press front foot for more extra Furbish. In Furbish, Nula mean friend. That you. Press front foot for more extra Furbish. In Furbish, May mean love. Ka May unai. Press front foot for more extra Furbish. In Furbish, Nula mean dance.
And all of a sudden it finishes. Okay. Let's try again.
Ooh, hidden menu. Press blue for fart piano. Pink for ha-ha game. Green to learn Furbish. Yellow to hear a joke. Why can't Unai tell joke to Egg?
I don't know.
'Cause Egg will crack up. Wanna hear another joke? Press Furby front foot. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Furby.
Furby who?
Furby. Just realized Furby don't have last name. Wanna hear another joke? Press Furby front foot. Okay, why did Furby cross road?
I don't know.
Because Unai was over there. Ooh-ah. Wanna hear another joke? Press Furby front foot. Why do bees have sticky hair?
I don't know.
They use honeycomb.
Oh. Wow. So it's literally when you do the things like that, they tell a few and then that's it. That's the end of the menu. That's what it seems like to me. I'm sure the fart piano is on something else actually. I'm sure that the fart piano is like an unlockable thing on the games menu. Oh, it's the ha-ha game. Yeah, that is a front foot game. I don't really understand the ha-ha game actually. Let's try the ha-ha game.
Ooh, hidden menu. Press blue for fart piano. Pink for ha-ha game. Green to learn Furbish. Yellow to hear a joke. Okay, try not to laugh. Repeat after Furby, but no laughing.
Okay, I'll do that.
Gotta repeat what Furby says, Dito. Try again.
Ha? Yeah, see, I don't understand that one. So it wants you to repeat what it says. And it says, ha. And you do it, and it never seems to hear what the thing is. So, yeah, I'm a bit confused by that one. And if you don't say anything at all, then it knows you haven't said anything. But I don't think it's got voice recognition. So, yeah, it's just a bit confusing, that one. And like I said, the fart piano we have covered before, so I'm not doing it again. Because it's just, you press the different buttons on the Furby's belly. And it makes different fart sounds. It may actually have been the remix option, gives you the option of the fart piano. But like I said, I'm pretty sure the fart piano is somewhere else on the Furby's menu. So, well, you don't expect much then, do you? Isn't it even a party? Every day's a party for DJ Furby. Some people have managed to get their DJ Furbies to literally curl in like a little ball. Well, I can't do that. I could do this though. That kind of works. Just fold it. That's quite cute actually. I like that.
It's the ha-ha game. Press Furby front foot to play.
Let's try again then.
Okay, try not to laugh. Repeat after Furby, but no laughing.
Ha?
Say it same way Furby say it. Try again.
Ha? See? It doesn't work. I don't get that game. If anyone can work out the ha-ha game or knows how to play it, let me know. I'll do it in a future video. So, yeah, there you go. That's the Furby's secret menu. Thanks to whoever told me that. I know someone said it about it. They said to press both feet together and see what happens. Unfortunately, I did see a spoiler on Instagram when the official Furby account posted it. And I'm like, oh, damn. Because I knew then what it was, but I wanted it to be a surprise. Actually, looking through the menu, looking through the... Yeah, I think. I'm looking through the instructions here.
Furby's such a goofy noodle.
And I don't think they mention it in the instructions. Because there was a couple of secret phrases, wasn't there, with the original 2023 Furbies? I think there was like 3 secret things you could say to it, including like, I love you and stuff. And yeah, they've not mentioned anything about the secret trick with pressing both front feet together. But that's really cool. I like it when manufacturers add things into the
Furby Boom.
Furby Boom. You mentioned Furby Boom. See, the longer you have Furby running, the more things you spot. He's going to fall asleep now. They fall asleep really quickly as well, the DJ Furbies. I don't know if you've noticed. It's just like snore, that's it. They're asleep, they're out. Yeah, anyway, I guess I'd better end the video there. If you want to see more videos of the DJ Furbies, you can click the boxes that come up below. And as always, if you enjoy what I do, tips are always welcome. My Ko-fi is in the description. And yeah, I guess that's all for now. I hope you've enjoyed this video. So stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silverwolf, signing off.